So, you're probably wondering, Yoojin, why are you in a lettuce costume? Well, last year, 2022, I made quite some content with me in my lettuce costume, and quite a lot of people enjoyed it. So on April 1st, 2022, for April Fool's Day, I decided to go out in public with my lettuce costume. And why did it take me over a year to upload this video, you may ask? And to be completely honest, every time I looked at the footage, I could not stop cringing and squirming. And ultimately, I just couldn't get myself to edit the video. Fast forward, 10 months later, I finally fought through and we now have this video. I hope you guys don't get too much secondhand embarrassment watching the video and enjoy it. Let us start the video. Hello everybody, I am in my lettuce costume. Such a beautiful day. You look good. Yeah. Oh my god, I look ridiculous. I can't do this. You guys, this is so bad. It's such good content. Trader Joe's. I feel like I'm being a menace if I go to Trader Joe's like this.
Yeah, I agree. Angela, I can't. You record. I can't do this.
I'm really bad at recording.
This is being a menace.
It's Harmony.
Oh. Harmony. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Oh my god. I can't. I can't.
There's lettuce here.
There's lettuce in bags.
Hi. Lettuce.
Awesome.
Lettuce friend.
Oh yes, that. Oh my gosh!
I'm literally sweating. Got my lettuce friend.
Oh, saying hi.
So we were able to get some romaine heart lettuce. Looks just like me. We're going to put cloves on it. That looks good. That's cute. I'm looking for my baby's father.
Oh. Yeah.
Yes. And can I get some, like, do you guys have, like, lettuce juice? Unfortunate. I actually have a gift for you. Yeah. Gift for everybody. No way.
Good luck.
I'm sick of this. I'm retiring. I'm retiring from being a lettuce.
Really?
Yes.